This week I'm in the mansard, or the attic space, where we will eventually live. It's a vast area. It's covered in a layer of old concrete that needs removing, and I've said I'll do it. It's been hard work, this. One thing I've learnt doing 20 years of occasional labour is there's always a better technique. Musai, our contractor, came up and said, why didn't you do it this way, which I'm doing. It's so much easier, it's just lifting up like broken ice. So maybe I'll get it done quicker. Look at that. That's just been underneath the cement, maybe for 100 years. I wonder what the story of it is. Where did it come from? Why is it there? It's a rather fetching pattern. The colours are almost new. One for the farmhouse museum, I think. Day 3, and been fueled by dad rock. I'm not even halfway there, and you'll see the big slabs behind me. Well, they were easy, and that was Musai's technique. And then here, I've just had to resort to hacking. It's like blitzkrieg versus trench warfare. Sometimes great advances are made, and other times it's pure hell. My mattock is just bouncing off the concrete, doing nothing but bruising my palms. But I gotta do it. I gotta finish. I must finish this.